Hello Herman Miller fans! Welcome back to another video in the Embody series, where we show you lots of tips, tricks, and tutorials to replace and fix your Embody office chairs. In this video, our OfficeLogic Shop team will demonstrate how to replace your arm pads. It'll be a quick and easy process. So, let's begin. Start by unbolting all the bolts on the arm pads, as demonstrated. Now get your brand new arm pads and install them. How easy is this? We still have more videos to come in the Embody series and other office chairs as well, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, OfficeLogixShop.com, for great deals on many replacement parts and refurbished chairs.